Okay, so welcome po sa ating part 3 ng ating RME board exam. 3 questions solve po. No? Itong mga questions po ay mga previous board exam questions na lumabas po sa mga nakaraang board exam. Okay, so we have this first problem. A heating element draws 12 ampere from a 240 volt source. So we need to find the power consumed. Okay, solution. Okay, so solution. So our given, no, the current is 12 amperes and the voltage is 240 volts. Okay, so with the formula, power is equals to voltage times the current. So we have 12. Okay, so 240 volts times 12 amperes. Okay, so using our calculator, we have 240 times 12. Okay, this is equal to 2,880. So this is 2,880 watts, no, which is letter D. Okay, next, a conductor has a resistance of 18 ohms and is connected to a 90 volt source to determine the current. So this is just basic Ohm's law, no? Okay, so our given, the resistance is equals to 18 ohms. The voltage is equals to 90 volts, no? So current, no, by Ohm's law is equals to V over I. So substituting, we have 90 volts divided by 18 ohms. Okay, so our current is equal to, okay, so 90 divided by 18. Okay, so this is equal to 5. Okay, so the correct answer is 5 amperes, no, which is letter C. Okay, next, 6 microfarad capacitor is connected across a 300 volt. Determine the charge stored. Okay, so we know the lagay mo ito yung given. So we have the capacitance of 6 microfarad, which is yung micro that is equals to 6 times 10 to the power of negative 6 farad. Tapos yung voltage is equals to 300 volts. So we know that capacitance is equals to Q over A, or charge over voltage. So solving for the charge, ilipat natin to dito. So charge is equals to capacitance times the voltage. So substituting the given now, capacitance is 6 times 10 to the power of negative farad, while our voltage is 300 volts. Okay, so using our calculator, we have 6 times 10 to the power of negative 6 times 300. Okay, ano ba? Yun. Okay, so this is equal to 1.8. No, dito is ano siya lahat, naka micro. So itong i-infinity natin. Okay, so that is 1,800 micro, no? So 1,800 times 10 to the power of negative 6 farad. So this is micro. So 1,800 microfarad, no, which is letter C. Okay, next question. A 4 Henry inductor carries 2 ampere. So what is the stored energy? Okay, solution. So the given, yung ating inductance is 4 Henry. Yung ating current is 2 ampere. So hinahanap po is the energy, no? So E is equals to 1/2 Li squared. No? Substituting 1/2 times the 4 Henry times the current of 2 amperes squared, no? So using our calculator, so we have 1/2 times 4 times 2 squared. Okay, so this is equal to 8, no? So this is equal to 8 joule, no? Which is letter C. Okay, next, a current of 8 amperes flows for 5 minutes to determine the total charge transferred. Okay, so solution. So the given ng current is 8 amperes. Yung ating time is 5 minutes. No? So we need to convert this one in seconds. So 60 seconds is for 1 minute. So we have 5 times 60. That is 300 seconds. Okay. So current by definition is equals to charge over time. So solving yung Q ni hanap natin. So cross multiply to dito. So that is current times time. So the current is 8 amperes. And the time is 300 seconds. Okay, so using our calculator, we have 8 times 300. Okay, is equal to 2400. So we have 2400 column, which is not on our solution, so we need to shade letter E. Okay, next, a 25 ohm resistor dissipates 400 watts. Determine the current flowing through it. Okay, solution. Okay, so power is equals to 400 watts. Then the resistance is equals to 25 ohms. Okay, so the other formula for power is I squared times R. So we are now solving for I. No, so we have I squared is equals to P over R. So it's square root in both sides. So I is equals to square root of P over R. So substitute po natin. So I is equals to square root of 400 watts divided by 25 ohms. Okay. So we have square root of 400 divided by 25. Okay, this is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 amperes, no, which is letter B. Okay. Okay, next question tayo. So a 220 volt motor consumes 17,600 watts. No? So we need to determine the resistance. Okay, solution. Okay, so the given, the voltage is equals to 220 volts. The power is 17,600 watts. Okay, so we need to calculate the resistance. So the other formula for power is equals to V squared over R, no? So ang gawin natin, pagpalitin natin itong dalawa. So R is equals to V squared over P. Substituting, so we have 220 volts squared divided by 1,760 watts. Okay, using our calculator, we have 220 squared divide 1,760. Okay, so this is equal to 27.5. Okay, so 27.5 ohms, which is letter B. Okay, next, a wire has a resistivity of 1.72 times 10 to the power of negative 6 ohm meter. Length is 120 meters, an area of 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6 square meters. So we need to find the resistance. Okay, solution. So we have our resistivity of 1.72, okay, times 10 to the power of negative 6 ohm meter. Our L is equal to 120 meters, and our area, no, is equal to 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6 square meter. So to get the resistance of a wire, so this is equals to rho length over A. So substituting, so we have 1.72 times 10 to the power of negative 6 ohm meter. Our length is 120 meters divided by 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6 square meter. Okay. So we have 1.72 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Okay, times 120 divide 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Okay, so this is equal to 60. I believe this is not negative 6. Okay, so ito yata negative 8 yata to. No? So this is negative 8. Okay. So we have negative 8 dapat yung nasa taas. Okay, so this is equal to 0.688. Yeah. So R is equal to 0.688 ohms, so which is letter B. Okay, next, a capacitor stores 0.2 joule at 100 volts. So we need to determine the capacitance. Okay, solution. So yung given natin, now we have the energy of the capacitor, which is 0.2 joule. We have the voltage at 100 volts. Okay, so the formula for energy ng capacitor is 1/2 C E squared. So ang hinahanap po natin is yung capacitance. So ito cross multiply natin, that is 2E. Ito, 2E but 2E pala, 2E. So this is V, sorry for that one, V. So this is 2 over V squared C. No? So C is equals to 2E over V squared. No? Substituting, we have 2. Yung energy natin is 0.2. Tapos yung ating voltage, no, squared is 100 volts. No? Squared natin yan. Okay, so using our calculator, we have 2 times 0.2 over 100 squared. Okay, so that is equal to 4 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So gawin natin itong SI prefix. No? So that is 40 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So we have 40 times 10 to the power of negative 6 farad. No? So this is micro. So 40 microfarad, no? Which is letter B. Okay? And this is our last problem, no, for this video. So a 10 Henry inductor experienced current change from a 2 ampere to 8 ampere in 3 seconds. So we need to determine the induced voltage. Okay, so solution. So the induced voltage, no, is what we're going to solve. So we have our inductance of 10 Henry. No, so our di/dt, no, the change in current. So this is equal to the given, which is 8 ampere minus 2 ampere divided by 3. So this is 6 ampere divided by 3 seconds. No? So this is equal to 2 ampere per second. So to get the induced voltage, small letter E, so this is equal to the Henry, no, times the di/dt, no, the inductance of the dt. So this is L, so that this is equal to 10 Henry times 2 ampere per second. So this is equal to 20 volts, so which is letter B. No? And that will be the end of this video. So I hope po may natutunan po kayo sa discussion na to. If you want to learn more po the concept of this formulas na ginamit to solve the problem, so I will be leaving po the link, no, for the video about that one. Okay, so thank you for watching. As always, this is Engineer King, and enjoy learning.